The case study we are going to discuss today is assessing the effectiveness of online practice exam in blended learning biology class. The study was conducted at University of Minnesota, where they introduced online practice exams in a biology classroom in 2009 and compared the results to student performance with the previous year. The hypothesis of the study was that online practice exams are an effective tool to provide feedback to students and to help enhance students' learning. The questions that the study is trying to address are: does the use of online practice improve student learning? And do variables such as demography acts and aptitude of students have an effect on their performance? Increasing classroom sizes result in teaching and learning challenges. Lack of student engagement with course material provides them fewer opportunities for practice, and it makes it difficult for the professors to provide feedback to a large number of students in a classroom. The study is trying to address all these problems by introducing only in one practice exam for students. The biology professors at University of Minnesota introduced the three online practice exams into their classroom. The purpose was to provide students with practice opportunities and give them performance feedback before they take their actual 4-credit exam. The students in 2008 did not take any online practice exam compared to the students in 2009 who were offered online practice exams, which was the main treatment variable. Uh, the exam was available to students 5 days before their actual exam, and they were allowed only one attempt. Each practice exam was a 40 multiple choice questions, and students were allowed 75 minutes to complete the test. The practice exam simulated the environment of an actual exam, and the difficulty level of questions was also kept the same. The major dependent variable for the study was students' performance on the actual exam in year 2009, and the results were compared to the students' performance on the exam in 2008. The data was also analyzed based on ethnicity, sex, age, ACT score, and GPA of the students. The study showed that the first practice exam variable was not statistically significant. The students who took the second and third practice exams were scored higher. Students who took practice exams scored 4.3% higher in exam 2 and 5.7% higher compared to the students who did not take practice exams. Other variables such as gender and aptitude did not have any significant effect on the study. The research concluded that the introduction of a blended learning component in the form of the online practice exam should improve students' learning and performance. Students who were already highly motivated were more likely to take the practice exam compared to the students who needed academic assistance. Student anxiety also plays a role in their performance, and the frequency of them taking the exam also impact their performance. The study does not show any evidence of professors making an effort to create a community of inquiry in terms of student collaboration and interaction. Application of the multi-model model to allow to students to experience learning in ways that are comfortable for them. The blended learning component of online practice exams also incorporated flexibility and facilitated student learning process. The lesson we can learn from this case study is how we effectively incorporate the blended learning component to enhance students' learning. It also provided ways on how we can provide flexibility for the students by providing them the practice opportunities online and enhance their learning.